So, debugging questions in pointers. Let us see the this questions. Yeah, let us begin our understanding of pointers with this question. So, you are given a single dimension array ARR which contains 5 elements. So, 12, 13, 15, 17 and 19. See, assume the base address of the array starts from 5486. So, this is 5486, this is 5490 because plus 4, assuming integer takes 4 bytes, then 5494, 5498 and this is 5502. So, we have an array like this. So, they are asking what is percentile u. I think again though we are seeing pointers in C++, the concept remains same in C and C++. So, instead of printf you can include cout here, okay. Whether cout or printf does not make a difference, pointers concepts remain same in both the languages. So, can you tell me what is the output of the first printf statement? Can you guess the output of the first printf statement? Here percentile u means unsigned int, that is positive integer, whether it is percentile d or percentile u, it is same. So, what is the output of first printf statement? Please guess some answer. What is the output of first printf statement? So, I am giving here name of the array. When I am giving name of the array, since it is single dimension array, ARR will give me the starting address. This ARR will give me, understand the meaning of ARR in single dimension array. Here ARR refers to address of this block, this red color box. ARR refers to address of this red color box. So, it will give me 5486. What is ampersand ARR? Ampersand ARR means it will give you the address of this box, the address of this box, okay. It will give the starting address of this entire blue box. What is the starting address of the entire blue box? Again it is 5486. I hope you got the point. It is 5486. Now, can you guess the second output? Tell what is the second printf statement output. Please respond, please be interactive, please guess what is the output of second printf. What is the output of ARR plus 1? What is this ARR plus 1 and ampersand ARR plus 1? Can you guess these both outputs? Five four nine zero, 5490, 5490, 5494, 5490, 5490. Please do take pen and paper. I request you, please take pen and paper and solve these kind of problems. Any given pointer problem, the best way to get the answer is draw the memory location like this. You draw a box like this, like I have drawn. Write the addresses below, write the numbers and then you try to guess the answer. Okay, we got sufficient number of responses. Without wasting our time, let us see. See, when you wrote ARR, I said that it is the, this block address. ARR refers to this first block, okay. ARR refers to this first box, that is address of 12, 5486. Ampersand ARR refers to starting address of this entire memory allocation, starting address, that is again 5486. When I talk about ARR plus 1, what is ARR value? 5486. It means 5486 plus 1. Address plus 1 means it will move to the next location, that is 5490. This is correct. What you told is right, 5490. What about ampersand A plus 1? Any guess? What about ampersand A plus 1? Okay, everybody is telling 5494, 5491, 5487. Let's see this. What is this ampersand a plus 1. Understand, please pay attention and understand, ARR refers to this block alone. Let me change the color. ARR refers to this block alone, whereas ARR plus 1 refers to this entire block, starting address of this entire block. So when ARR was pointing here, when I asked to go find out ARR plus 1, you moved to the next block here. You gave me the address of this block. This is the ARR, this is ARR, its next block is this. Its address 5490 you have given to me. When ampersand ARR is pointing to this entire box, if I ask plus 1, it will give the starting address of the next block, that is it is 5506, because this last address is 5502, right. After this the new blocks begins. That's why ampersand ARR plus 1 is 5506. Is it clear? Did you understand this, how it is 5506? Let me repeat once again. I will erase everything. When you have an array with you, when some set of numbers, A is the name of the array, and when you are printing, when you are referring A points to this box. So when you say A plus 1, it will move to next box, that is this box. This will be your this answer. Address of this box will be your answer, ARR plus 1. Now what is ampersand ARR? Ampersand ARR is pointing to this box, whole box. This whole box starting address, that is again 5486. When I say ampersand ARR plus 1, the next box which begins from here. So this address was 5502, this address will be 5506. Okay, so answer of this will be 5506. Is it clear? I hope you understood this now. Any doubts in this question? Students, please let me know if it is clear. ARR, ampersand ARR, ARR plus 1, ampersand ARR 1 plus 1. That is why it is not encouraged to use ampersand ARR when you are allocating the address of this array to a pointer variable. When you want to store the address of the array, you need not use ampersand. You can directly give here, simply you can give star PTR equal to ARR, because ARR itself is an address. An address can be stored in PTR. So when you are having an array variable, when you are creating a pointer variable, don't use ampersand. But for normal variables like this, int x equal to 10, you definitely have to use ampersand. Int star PTR equal to ampersand x, because it's a normal variable but not an array variable. It is not array variable, it's a normal variable. That's why you have to refer to ampersand x. I hope this question is clear. Let us move to the next one. Yes, please guess the answer of this question. Character star PTR, I am asking what is size of star PTR, and I am asking size of PTR. What is the answer for this? Please do this. Answer please, size of star PTR and size of PTR. Though somebody is posting answer, you all have to reply. Please be interactive. Understand pointer forever. Later again, don't scratch your head to understand this. See, PTR. When someone asks you size of PTR, PTR is a pointer. What does this PTR contains? This PTR contains some address. PTR contains some address which is of type integer. It is of type integer. That's why size of integer will give me 4. Whereas size of star PTR means it points to that actual variable. It may contain some character A. So size of this will be 1. So answer for this is 1, 4. Always size of PTR, whatever pointer it is, whether it is float, star, PTR, In this case also size of PTR will be 4, whether it is double star PTR. In this case also size of PTR will be 4. Okay, simple and silly question. Yeah, this is one very important question. Please pay attention and try to understand this. Okay, I will just no, any given pointer problem, the best way to solve is to represent the memory locations. Okay, draw a box like this. Let me draw the array box here. So we have 0, then 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is given to us A. And assume the base address of array starts from 6004. So this is 6004, this is 6008, 6012, 6016 and 6020. I have my array A like this. Next, we are given a pointer array. What is this pointer array? I have another array here. I have another array, that's a pointer array. It is storing the addresses. It is storing the addresses of these 5 elements into this PTR, this P array. P is a pointer array. Okay, it's a pointer array, means it's kind of an array where every element is the address. Address of which array? A array. How we are saying that? You see, here if you see, in this P array, what is the first value? A. A means, what will I get if I print A? 6004. So we have 6004 here, then 6008, 6012, 16 and 6020. Okay, this way I have, and it is given that the address of pointer P is 9016. It means the starting address of this array is again, here it is 9016. Here it is 9016, 9020, 9024, 9028 and 9032. Then there is another statement, double star PTR equal to P. So there is one more box, that is PTR. What is it assigned? It is assigned P. P means this is the P array. P is an array. When I say P, it means it will give me the starting address, that is 9016. Okay, so this is the data given to us. We are having an array A, integer array A, which contains values from 0, 1 to 4, and then each element has the start address. The starting address is 6004, then 6008, 12, 16, so on. We are having a pointer array where we are storing the address of each of these elements. Okay, address of these elements are stored like this, and this is also a pointer array or an array variable. It has some starting address, that is 9016, 9020 and so on. Now with this information given to us, let us try to answer the questions below. Okay, and we have a double pointer PTR, and let us assume the address of this is 14096. PTR is a variable, every variable has some address. So PTR has 9016, its address is 14096. With this data, I hope it is clear. You are understanding this question, right? We are given one integer array, one pointer array and a double pointer variable. So that I have represented in a notation. I have drawn the memory blocks and I have written the values there. That's it. This is the standard way if you want to solve any problem in pointers. Please follow this approach. You will get answers easily. Okay, when you have numbers displayed like this, you will have answers easily. Now let us find out the answers. See, printf %d a. Tell me what is the answer when I print a. What will I get as the answer when I print a? Please respond. I want everyone to respond. Just to tell me what is the value of a. If I write printf or cout a, what will I get as the answer when I do cout? Okay, right? So value of a here, what is a? A is an array. When it is an array, not a normal variable, definitely I have to give the starting address, that is 6004. What is the value of star a? Means star of 6004. Means where is this 6004 in the computer memory? Here. What is the value in that memory? 0. So it is 0. Come to next one. Tell me what is the value of p? Tell me what is the value of p? What will I get as the answer if I print percentile D P. If we print percentile D P, what is the answer? 9016. So this is 9016. What is the value of star P? What is the value of star P? What is the value of star P? Right. So star of P value is 9016. In computer memory, where is 9016? Here. What is the value in that box? So it is 6004. Then double star P means star of P. If you decode this, you will get it 0. I hope it is clear. How it is 0? I hope you understood. Double star P is 0 because star P is 6004, star of that is 0. Right. Now, next one. What is the value of PTR? What will it print if I print PTR? What will I get the output if I print PTR? Please tell what will we get as the answer if we print PTR. Yes, please. What will I get if I print PTR? Okay. See, you are confused here. A and P are array variables. Observe here. This is array, this is array. When you are having array variables, when you print the name of the array, that will give you the starting address. But PTR is not an array variable, it is a normal variable. When you print PTR, it will print the content inside this box, not the address. It will print the content inside this box, that is 9016, not 14096. Why? When it is why A and P are the arrays, that is why we gave the starting addresses. But PTR is a normal variable. It is like int x equal to 10, printf x. So whatever is there in x, we get the answer. It is 9016, but not 14096, because PTR is a normal variable. When it is a normal variable, whatever content exists in that box, in that memory location, that you have to print. Okay. So PTR is 9016. What is star PTR? What is star PTR? Star PTR means star of 9016, that is 6004. Last one, what is double star PTR? Double star PTR. Right, 0, double star PTR, because see from this value, star PTR is 9016, star PTR is 6004, star of 6004 is 0, we already know. So this will give 0. Okay, I hope you understood this problem, how this we are trying to solve. Is it clear? Any doubts in this? Please let me know. If this is only clear, we can go to some advanced pointer problems. Is this clear? Students, please confirm. Okay, so slowly we will try to go. Please understand it. We will have some more complex things here. Okay, I erased. Let's see the next question. Same data again. Again I will try to draw the same box for our easy understanding. You also please draw it on paper. You have 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then you have another array with some addresses: 6004, 6008, 6012, 6016, 6020. Okay, because these are the addresses of these blocks. So another, we have one more variable PTR. It contains 9016. Same data, same question, 9016. Now let me write the addresses here. So this is 6004. This is 9016, 9020, 9024, 9028 and 9032, and its address is 14096. Now tell the first printout, tell me what is the value of star A plus 1. Can you guess the value of star A plus 1? What is the value of star A plus 1? Please, all of you, please pay attention, try to understand these pointers. It's all number game, representing arrays, writing addresses, and then referring those memory allocations to find out the answer. What is star a plus 1? Please, I request you, please be interactive, answer it. Right, we got different answers. Let's see what is this. So how to decode this? You already know what is star a value. How to do this? Star of, what is a? A means name of the array, that is 6004. Star of 6004 plus 1. What is star of 6004? In the memory location 6004, what is the value we have? We have 0. So it is 0 plus 1. So answer is 1. Star a plus 1 value is 1. Next one, star of a plus 1. Star of a plus 1. What is the star of a plus 1? Star of a value means 6004. 6004 plus 1. So what will happen here? What is this output? Star of a plus 1. 1. Okay. Means this is star of 6004 plus 1 means it will go to the next block like this. So this becomes 6008. Star of 6008 means 1. Okay. Very good. Next. Next one, p plus 1. What is the output of p plus 1? What is the value of p plus 1? Star p plus 1, star of p plus 1. So let us see what is this first one, p plus 1. P is the name of the array. So definitely it will give me 9016. So 9016 plus 1 means 9016 plus 1 means it will go to 9020. It will go to 9020. Next block address. Next, star p plus 1 means star of p means 9016 plus 1. So what is 9016 here? What is star of that? 6004. 6004 plus 1 means 6008. Okay. Next, third one, star of p plus 1, that is star of 9016 plus 1. 9016 plus 1 means it goes to next location, that is star of 9020. So this value is also 6008. Understood how we are getting this? There is no 6005 plus address plus 1 means always go to the next location. 6000s are addresses, 9000s are addresses. So we have to always go to next location. Right? Now let us see the third printout statement here, or the cout statement what we have. Right. So let us find out this first. Star ptr plus 1. What is this value? Star ptr plus 1. Tell me what is the value of star ptr plus 1? Star ptr plus 1. Yes, students, please respond. Confused or struck? See, ptr means the value inside it, that is 9016. So it is star of 9016 plus 1. Star of 9016 means what is the value at this location 9016? It is 6004. So 6004 plus 1 means 6008. So star p, this is this. Next one is this, that is star of star ptr plus 1. So this value only. So it means star of 6008. So what is star of 6008? Where is 6008? Here. What is the value inside it? 1. Next one, this one, star ptr plus 1. Star ptr plus 1. So how to do this? Ptr means 9016. Star ptr means 6004. Star of 6004 means 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. Okay. So this value will be 1. I hope you understood this. Is it clear? Students, is it clear? Any doubts here? In the second problem, okay. I request everybody to please take pen and paper, try to understand this. It's very simple. It's all number game. We are trying to represent them in memory locations, storing the numbers, and then we are trying to guess the answers. Okay, these numbers are just for understanding. Now let us again little improve the complexity. Same data again, don't get panic, we will slowly solve each one of them. So again the same data set, the input we have here. So 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Similarly, I have another address array, that is 6004, 6016 and 6020, and we have another variable here, that is PTR. It holds 9016 and the addresses are of this format. Here it is 6004, 6008, 6012, 6016, 6020. Here it is 9016, 9020, 24, 9028 and 9032. Okay. Its address is 14096. Carefully, let us do it step by step. I will explain, you try to understand this. When I ask you to solve, please guess and solve. Okay. Let us see the first one. The first step here is PTR plus plus. Okay. Only statement written here is PTR plus plus. So these kind of statements are called as standalone statements. It means this variable is not dependent on any other variable. PTR is not dependent on any other variable. It is self reliable, that's why it is called standalone, right? So when you have this like this standalone statement, whether it is plus plus PTR or PTR plus plus, there is no difference. Both cases we have to increment the value of PTR. Okay. So now with this statement, PTR plus plus, which one do you think will change? Because of this statement, which data from in this will change? From this data, which value will change? Please tell. Because of this PTR plus plus, which memory location's value will change? What is value of PTR? What is value of PTR? What is value of PTR? Because it is PTR plus plus here, right? So what is value of PTR? Okay, see here, PTR is here. This is the memory location of PTR. Okay, PTR plus plus means whatever content exists in this PTR, take this, add 1 to that and store it back again in the same PTR. So PTR plus plus means take the value of PTR, add 1 to it, store it back again in PTR. So what is there in PTR? 9016. So 9016 plus 1, that is 9020. Where I have to store this 9020? Again in this box. Okay. So we have to store it here, 9020. So because of this statement PTR plus plus, what has happened? The value inside PTR has changed. Okay, it became 9020. Now let us try to answer the questions. Okay, so this value has changed now. Okay, because of that statement, this value has changed. Now I have PTR minus P. PTR minus P. Can you find out this answer? Difference between pointers. What is PTR minus P? What is the value of PTR? We know that between two pointers we can perform subtraction operation. What is the difference between this PTR minus P? Please guess. Yesterday we have discussed pointer arithmetic. I am expecting more answers. Yes. How do you find out difference between two pointers? Let us see this. How do you find out difference between, what is the value of PTR? If I print PTR alone, what will I get? I will get this value, right? That is 9020 minus. What will I get if I print P? This is A, this is P, right? P, it will give me 9016. That is because it is an array, it will give starting address. When you subtract two pointers, yesterday we have seen that you have to find out the absolute difference between these two and divide it by the size of integer. Since these arrays are integers, you have to divide it by size of integer, that is 4. So absolute difference means positive difference. Positive difference between these two is 4 by 4, it will give you 1. So the PTR minus P value is 1. Now tell other one, second one, star PTR minus A. Students, please guess the answer. Tell me what is star PTR. What is this value? Star PTR minus A. What is the value? Star PTR minus A. You are understanding the point? Please respond. What is the value of star PTR minus A? Okay, let us see. See, what is PTR value? PTR means this box value, that is 9020 star minus A. What is A? A is the name of the array, means 6004. 6004. What is star of 9020? Where is 9020? Here. Star means value inside this location, that is 6008. So 6008 minus 6004 divided by 4. So it is, difference is 4 by 4, 1. So this value is also 1. Now tell me what is double star PTR? The third one, what is the value of double star PTR? What is the value of double star PTR? Okay, so PTR is pointing to 9020. Star of this is pointing to 6008. Again star of this, because it is double pointer. Star of 6008 means this value, that is 1. So this is also 1. Okay, so these three values are 1, 1, 1. So because of this statement, the only thing which got changed here is this. No, PTR value became 9020. This box. Okay. Now let's go to the next statement, star PTR plus plus. The challenge here is, which operator should I do first? Okay, the challenge here is, which operator should I do first? Can you make a guess? Can you tell me whether should I do star PTR first, whether should I do this first and then apply plus plus, or whether should I find out PTR plus plus first and then apply star to that? Which one? First PTR plus plus? Okay, let us see. I will simply we will see this here. We all know that in these two operators, plus plus and star, plus plus have more priority. That's fine, that is very clear. Okay, so I have to perform plus plus first. Okay, I will perform plus plus. But what is the star of plus plus means? Star of plus plus means, PTR plus plus means 9020 will become 9024. Okay, so this will become 9024 because of this PTR plus plus. Then there is one star of that. So star of 9024 means 9024 here, it is 6012. But what will I do? Simply writing 6012 here like this. Does this statement have any significance? Simply writing 6012. You are not assigning this to any variable. You are not storing it anywhere. Simply you are writing star of that means 6012. It does not have any significance. That's why in this kind of problems, when the leftmost stars can be ignored. The leftmost stars can be ignored. They have no significance. They have no meaning, because it's meaningless to write 6012. It is like writing A equal to 10 in your program, B equal to 20 in your program, simply putting 30, then writing C equal to A plus B. What is this statement? It's a number and semicolon. It has no meaning at all. It is same as that. So that's the reason the leftmost stars will be ignored. So its meaning is PTR plus plus. Because of this, this value changed to 9024. This value changed to 9024. Now what is PTR minus P? What is PTR minus P? PTR value is 9024, P value is 9016, and I have divided by 4 because difference between two pointers. So 8 by 4 it is 2. So this value is 2. Next, star PTR minus A. What is star PTR minus A? Can you tell me? What is star PTR minus A? With this given data, can you guess what is star PTR minus A value? Yes, please. Okay, right. So PTR means 9024, star of 9024 means 6012, 6012 minus A means 6004. So difference is 8 by 4, again this is 2, this is also 2. Okay, we will skip that. Alright. Next, come to third statement. Here you see star plus plus PTR. Star plus plus PTR, I told you the leftmost stars can be ignored. So it is plus plus PTR, pre-increment of PTR. So because of this, what will happen here? Which values will change? Because of this, this PTR value will become 9028. Sorry, this PTR will become 9028. Because what is the meaning of PTR plus plus? Take the content of PTR, add 1 to it, store the result back in PTR. So this becomes 9028. Now if you find out these three values, it will give you 3, 3 and 3. Okay, you can calculate. Now come to the last one. After this, we have last statement. Here you see, is there any leftmost star here? No. So because of this, which value will change, you tell? Because of this last statement, which value will change? Because of this last statement, which value will change? Please guess. Tell me which memory location will be modified. I have plus plus star PTR. See this expression. It is plus plus star PTR. Here there is no leftmost star to ignore. So it means I have to do this first, then apply this on that. So because of this, which value will change? Please guess. Which memory location will be changed? Or you tell that 6004 will become 6008, or you tell 9028 will become 9032. Which one will change? Tell me in terms of numbers from this given data. That is clear. We have to do star PTR first, then on top you do pre-increment. So what is star PTR value? What is PTR value? What is PTR value? PTR value is 9028. What is star PTR value? Star of 9028 means 6016. Plus plus of that, it means this memory location. It is pointing to 6016. This value I have to take. Sorry, this value I have to take. This 60 value I have to take, add 1 to it, store it back again here. So because of this statement here, star star plus plus star PTR, this will become 6020. Because of this statement, I hope it is clear how it is happening. See again, you have star plus plus star PTR. PTR means 9028. Star of 9028 means 6016. That plus plus, it becomes 6020. Now can you guess the answers of last three differences here? Tell me what is PTR minus P, star PTR minus A, double star PTR. Can you guess these three answers? PTR minus P, star PTR minus A, and double star PTR. With this modified data, Can you tell with the current status of PTR, current status of P? Please try to guess the differences. All three you tell, PTR minus P, star PTR minus A and double star PTR. Please calculate, take pen and paper, try to solve it and tell the answers. Please respond. Okay, let us see what is this value, PTR minus P. What is PTR value? 9028 minus P is 9016. Difference is 12 by 4, it gives you 3. This is 3. What is star PTR minus A? Star PTR minus A. PTR means 9028. Star PTR means 6020. 6020 minus A, that is 6004. This will give you 16 by 4 means it will give 4. What is double star PTR? PTR is 9028. Star of 9028 is 6020. Star of 6020 is 4. So answer is 344. Okay. I hope you understood this, how we are solving these problems. Any doubts till now? Any doubts? Okay. Can we proceed further? Can we see little more complex problem in the same line? Okay. Let's see. Another and final question. Same data again. I will just quickly draw it for you. So you have 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4 and there is a memory block 9016, 9020. Oh sorry, this should be 6000. 6004, 6008, 6012, 6016 and 6020. So here we have 9016, 9020, 9024, 9028, 9032. This is P, this is A, 6004, and we have PTR with value 9016 and its address is 14096. See, because of this what will change? Double star PTR plus plus. Okay, what is the value of double star PTR plus plus? Please come and try to answer. Please try to answer this. I have here a statement double star PTR plus plus. We said that the leftmost stars can be removed, right? Leftmost stars have no significance. So it is simple as this PTR plus plus. It means this will become 9020. So when it is 9020, it is same as this problem. So what answers we had here? In the first case, it will give 111. Okay, it will give you 111. Right. The next one. Let us go here. Let us see the second one. Right. See the second one. It is star plus plus star PTR. It means only this left star can be ignored. So it is plus plus star PTR. So this is gone now. So what is star PTR? Since PTR is 9020, star of this will be this 6008. This I have to increment. So this also becomes 6012 now. This value changes to 6012. Now answer. PTR minus P. PTR is 9020. P is 9016. So the difference is 4 by 4, 1. Next, star PTR minus A. PTR means 9020. Star PTR means 6012. 6012 minus A means 6004. So the difference is 8 by 4. It will give you 2. What is double star PTR? double star PTR means 9020, star of 9020 is 6012, star of 6012 is 2. So this is 1, 2, 2. Now comes the third one and the important one, right? What is the third expression given to us here? It is plus plus double star PTR. Here we cannot ignore any stars. There are no leftmost stars here. So the expression is plus plus double star PTR. Okay. So let us see what is there in PTR. In PTR we are having 9020. What is star of 9020? 6012. What is star of 6012? This 2. Plus plus of that means this value will change and it will become as 3. It will become as 3. Okay. So when you find out the differences, again 9020 means it will give you 1, this will give you 2, this will give you 3. This is 133 or 123, 123 I guess. Okay. Is it clear? Understood how we are solving this? Please tell, is it clear? Did you understand this? Okay. So this is little about pointers with arrays. We have some more questions left. Maybe we have time, we can see some of these questions. If time permits, we will be seeing these questions also. Okay. So this is about some problems related to pointers.